right, sir. Looks like your ankle's a little bit swollen, but honestly, I don't think it's broken.
I guess that's good to hear.
Absolutely. I'm gonna be right back. What?
Dude, you gotta drive faster.
Wait, why?
Because I'm gonna crap my pants.
Bro, I don't know what you mean to tell you, man. I can't drive any faster. There's a ton of traffic.
Dude, I've been holding this thing for 40 minutes. I'm prairie dogging like crazy. If you don't start to drive faster, I'm gonna fill this truck with spicy burrito, brown liquid filled with grats.
Bro, I can't drive code 3 because you're about to code brown your pants.
What's going on back there?
Unfortunately, it looks like my partner really needs to go to the bathroom.
You think we'll make it to the hospital on time?
God, I hope not.